Good evening, swimmers, and welcome to our market wrap-up for Wednesday, March 19, 2008. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist for thinkorswim. The theme of today's show is going to be a little bit old school because we have to for what's happened the last 2 days. And here we go. I think this one's a little evident after what we've seen yesterday. The Dow up 400 points. Today, the Dow follows that by being down 293 points. What is going on? We see that in today's market. There was one advancer, the Coca-Cola Company, up on the day, and 29 decliners. Biggest decliner percentage-wise on the day, Alcoa. Alcoa down 7.75% today. It got slapped. This again, broad-based sell-off, just like yesterday was a broad-based rally. The NASDAQ today, down 45 points. What's going on? Well, a lot of things are going on. We've talked for the last week and a half about this being a quadruple witching expiration. Options expire. Options on futures expire. Futures expire. Equity options expire. There's a lot going on this week, a lot of craziness because of it. Huge volumes as people unwind their positions. We've warned you about this before, and again, tomorrow, Thursday, expiration day. Please, please, please be careful if you're going to trade the March options, particularly as they come off the board tomorrow a day earlier than normal because of the Good Friday holiday on Friday. So keep that in mind. All right, let's look under the hood, shall we say, and take a look at some of the fundamentals, take a look at some of the things going on in the market today. First of all, on the S&P futures, we talk about these time and time again. They close down 33 points. We're just under the 1300 level. As we've talked a lot before, there's some room to both sides right now. 1288 is a little bit of support. 1266 is a much bigger support. And then we've talked time and time again about 1240 being a level we're very nervous about on the downside. On the upside, we can go up to 1330 before we see any really major resistance once we get through the 1300 level, and again, we're right there. We're knocking on the door, so to speak. The VIX, again, at this crucial 30 area, closed just underneath it. If we rally tomorrow, I think you'll see the VIX come off pretty quickly, but if we don't, and the VIX starts to hang in there, I would look for perhaps a sell-off in the afternoon on Thursday. But if the VIX gets kind of smacked pretty early, I believe it's going to continue down and will rally. Again, as I've stated before, I tend to believe we rally in the expirations more times than not. So we have to check that and see what happens there. Our sizzle index of the day is stock that bears watching for Thursday. HSBC Holdings, the symbol H like Henry, B like boy, C like Charlie. Today, the March 75 calls, with the stock trading at closing right at 80. The March 75 calls, 175,000 of them traded. Let's keep an eye on it, see what happens. Could be kind of a fun thing to watch for expiration day. All right, as always, I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with thinkorswim, wishing you good health, good trading. Have a great expiration day. We'll see you again over the weekend. Thank you very much.